Hi, my name is Hարգելի. I am an Excel enthusiast. In this video, I will show the usage of named cells in Microsoft Excel 2010. I will introduce named cells on an example of solving quadratic equation. Quadratic equation given by this formula, and we need to find its real solutions. Solutions are given by the following formula. The expression under the radical is called discriminant and denoted by capital letter D. Let's start with the calculation of the discriminant. Mostly people will use the usual way to create formulas in Excel. However, this formula is long and hard to read. Instead, we can use named cells. We can just name cells B1 to B3 and refer to the corresponding cells by their names. How to do that? We click on the cell B1, go to the so-called name box, click here, type the name A in this case and click enter. Similarly we do for B2 and B3. It appeared that Excel doesn't allow to use some letters as names for cells. So C is one of these letters and I will use E instead of C here. From now on we can refer to these cells by their names. Let's put the expression in a new way using names of the cells instead of the old formula. So I will delete this. Now B times B minus 4 times A times E. So the result is the same, but it's more simpler to read this formula. In case if you did a mistake or you want to delete or change some of the named cells, you can go to the formulas, name manager. Here you will see your named cells and you can modify them. Let's name the D as well as uppercase letter D. I will just copy it from my notepad. So two solutions. So if you look on this formula, I put a if condition here because in case if the discriminant is negative, there are no solutions for the quadratic equation. Let's name these solutions as well. So let's put x underscore 1 for the first solution and x underscore 2 for the second solution. Let's get some drawing for this function. Let me unhide this. The remaining part is just a visualization of the graph of the quadratic expression. I will choose the x as a step to use in drawing the different points. I have a formula here. Let me unhide this. So this is it. And I used named cell here, the x, which I need to set here. So that's it. We got a graph and we can manipulate with the coefficients to change the graph form. Thanks for watching.